Budget 2026 ship owner 576. There is many companies that, because they don't have the huge database that Candina has, they are paying more and more and more. You don't need to pay more, dear ship owner, only because your crew management department does not have enough database. Because if you have 150,000 seafarers in your database, you can get the best talent, and humans will appreciate to be surrounded by the best team members available in this planet. So please think seriously, dear ship owner, because we are expanding so much today, because many have huge travel costs. If you have ships around the Caribbean, there is many ship owners thinking, why should we have Asian crew to the Caribbean? It's not logical, is it? Mainly during Christmas, mainly with these weather storms in Philippines, and mainly with some Asian countries lack of transparency and forging or not providing the real experience on board the seafarer's CV. Yes, so why not think about Candina for 2026 for all kinds of ships in the Caribbean, in America? Because we can employ Americans in America. That's ESG, corporate social responsibility, competitive advantage, transparency. Invest in your intrinsic value, goodwill, dear ship owner. Same thing in Europe. How many Europeans are there left? Many, not so many. Why? Because these governments are just incompetent. Therefore, they don't get one system for educating. Between Romania, you can go from rating all the way to captain, chief engineer. In Spain, it's not possible. Courses, basic training is 3 days in Latvia, 300 euros. Here in Spain is like 3 different formats, and these people in Brussels, they just don't know what they're talking about. So it is a huge opportunity. Africa is expanding very much indeed, but we have many issues there. And the main thing today is, ship owner, are you going to be with Candina? Because we are IMEC members. We have really huge Asian pool. Everybody is investing where everybody is investing, but no one is thinking, where should I really have my goodwill, the intrinsic value of the crew and the talent? Think about Candina, because a lot of ship owners are growing wage scales like huge ways in complaining, whilst there is many countries that deserve this opportunity. Thank you very much indeed for your time. Looking forward to sending the quotes for free. Thank you. Bye.